Hi students, today's topic string handling in Java. Today I am going to show you an important program belonging to ICSE curriculum. So look at my video starting to ends to be understand the whole logic. Our today's topic special words and palindrome word. Special words are those words which starts and ends with the same letter. For examples, here I have given few examples: existence, comic and window. Palindrome words are those words which read the same from left to right and vice versa. And here I have given few examples. Look at here, Malayalam start with M and end with same. If we can reverse the Malayalam, we will get the same result. Madam, level, rotator, civic, all are the palindrome words. And another ones you have to be find out, that is all palindromes are special words, but all special words are not palindrome. You have to write a program to accept a word and check and print whether the word is a palindrome or only special word. So here I right click open. It will take little time to open the window. It's opening the blue window. Okay, it's open already. Click new class button and put the class name here. After putting the class name, then click OK to continue. Here I am writing the class name. Look at here. Then click OK to continue. Right click over here, open editor, make it maximize, press Ctrl+A from the keyboard and delete to continue. Here I have written import space java.util.start semicolon. Next class, put the class name, second bracket open, public static void main string arguments we have to write. After writing the arguments, we have to declare the scanner class. Scanner SC is equal to new space scanner within first bracket system.in to read the arguments from the user. Next, here you have to print a message for the user to enter a string or words. As per your choice, you will write the message enter string. Okay, come to the next line. After writing this, okay, enter words, I have changed it. Come to the next line, string space, I am taking a variable name words, words, words is equal to sc dot next line. L is capital here, first bracket open close semicolon. Come to the next line. Okay, now here I have to find out the length. In space alien length is equal to words dot length, first bracket open close semicolon. Come to the next line. I am taking a boolean variable is prime. Boolean space is prime. P is capital here, and I have initialized the variable the value true. Okay, if the condition here I have to use, if within first bracket we have to write words dot caret, I can break the string into the character. Within first bracket I have written here 0, mean first character, means the first character of the string, index position 0. Okay, dot equals, within first bracket here I have written words dot caret within first bracket len minus 1, in which it indicates the last character of the string, len minus 1. First bracket open, one more first bracket need to close. Come to the next line, second bracket open. One thing here we have to do, I can take the boolean variable and change the position. I can put it inside the if block. Okay, look at here, cut inside the if block, I can paste here. Okay, so we have to declare the boolean variable here. So for int space I is equal to 1, I less than len minus 1, I plus plus. If we have to check rest of the conditions, if was dot caret within first bracket we have to write, if within first bracket words dot caret within first bracket 1 not is equal to words dot caret within first bracket we have to write len minus 1 minus I. Okay, so then is prime is equal to false. Here I have changed the function. Next line break, if close, for loop close. If I will check here, if it is prime, then write, it will print the message palindrome words. If it is not is prime, then it print the message special word. erase the palindrome and write here special. And after that, in the else part, here I have to show the message neither palindrome nor special words. Okay. So there are three conditions I have mentioned beginning of starting of this program. There I have mentioned three messages. One for the palindrome string, palindrome words. Second for the special word, special string. And third for the neither palindrome word nor a special words. So three messages as per my programming title. Here I have done the program. Now the time to be run the program. So after completion of the program, we have to check my program is correct or not. So after completion, we must have to click on the compile button to be continue. If there is a no error, it will print a message no syntax error at bottom of the screen. Okay, so look at my whole program once again, top to bottom. And the first, here we have to change a little. Students was the caret instead of equals, we have to write is equal to because caret function indicates and return type is integer. The return type of caret function is integer. So here we have to write the equal to and 2 is equal to be check. Look at the whole screen. Within the E block, whatever the function here I have mentioned, everybody have to follow and mention the same function, the logic to be understand. And look at here inside the E block, here I have used a for loop to run and check the whole character of the string, and to use the boolean variable is prime to check it is prime or not. Outer portion of the E block, where I have closed the E block, the else part of this block, here I have printed the message neither neither palindrome nor special words, and click compile button. So next, it means our program is totally correct. I can close it. Right click over here to run the program, choose white main. Look at here, I have printed a message.
for